How much should you really save for retirement? What if I told you that right now, at this very moment, you're either setting yourself up for financial freedom in your later years, or a future where you're still working at 70, wondering where it all went wrong? Sounds dramatic, right? But here's the brutal truth. Most people have no idea how much they actually need to retire. And by the time they figure it out, it's already too late. So let's change that. Today, we're breaking down exactly how much you should be saving for retirement, step by step. Because the decisions you make in your 20s and 30s will determine whether your future is one of wealth or one of regret. And trust me, you'll want to stay till the end, because I'll reveal the single biggest mistake that can completely derail your retirement savings. Are you ready? Let's dive in. The breakdown, solutions, and strategy. Step 1, how much will you actually need? First things first, how much do you actually need to retire? Forget the generic save $1 million advice. The real number depends on your lifestyle. A simple way to calculate this? The 25x rule. Multiply your annual expenses by 25. That's how much you need invested to retire comfortably. For example, if you plan to spend $50,000 a year in retirement, $50,000 times 25 equals $1.25 million. Now that might sound intimidating, but don't panic, because next we're going to talk about how to get there, even if you're starting from zero. Step 2, how much should you save monthly? Okay, so we have the end goal. Now how do we actually get there? Let's talk monthly savings. How much should you be putting away right now? Well, it depends on when you start. Here's the magic of compound interest. Start saving at 25. You need around $500 per month to retire with $1.25 million by 65. Start at 35. That jumps to $1,000 per month. Wait until 45. Now you need over $2,500 per month. The later you start, the harder it gets. So let me ask you, would you rather save $500 now or struggle to save $2,500 later? But wait, how do you actually invest that money the right way? Let's talk strategy. Step 3, where should you put your retirement savings? Now let's talk about the best places to put your money so it actually grows instead of just sitting in a savings account. There are 3 main options. 401k. If your job offers one, use it, especially if they match your contributions, because that's literally free money. Roth IRA. This is your best friend. You invest post-tax money and it grows tax-free, meaning when you withdraw at retirement, you owe 0 in taxes. Brokerage accounts. If you max out the first 2, invest in index funds for long-term growth. And here's a game changer. The earlier you start, the less you actually have to save. If you start investing $500 a month at 25, you could have over $2.2 million by 65. But if you wait until 40, you might not even hit $500,000. But even if you're starting late, don't worry, because I'm about to show you a trick that can help you catch up fast. Step 4, the biggest retirement savings mistake. All right, I promised I'd tell you the biggest mistake people make with retirement savings. And here it is, not getting serious about it early enough. Most people say, I'll start saving later when I make more money. But by then, it's 10 times harder to catch up. The key? Start now, even if it's just $100 a month. Compound interest does the heavy lifting for you, a tiny snowball rolling downhill, growing into an avalanche labeled wealth. Because here's the reality, retirement isn't an age, it's a number. And the sooner you hit that number, the sooner you can retire. So how much will you save for retirement? Let's talk next steps. So where do you stand? Are you saving enough? Too little? Or are you just getting started? Drop a comment below and let's talk about your retirement plan. And if you found this valuable, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because financial freedom starts with the right knowledge. Your future self is counting on you. It's time to take action. The second best time, right now.